Okay, go ahead. Turn it over. Turn it off and back on. Push that pedal all the way. Yeah, okay. Timing is off. I'll have to adjust that. Okay, you can pull the key out and get out. Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Like a little over 6 months. But some good news is we did get first start. I got all of I got the standalone wired up, and the timing is off, but you'll see. You probably saw that in the intro clip, and I'm sure you'll see it as we move forward. So this is going to be a short video, just to be getting everything back up and started. The wiring, do not go by that. That is not how the wiring is going to be. That is a temporary first start test bed. I just wanted to make sure everything was connected and working before I do all of the wire trimming and harness finalizing. Heck, I haven't even wired it into the fuel pump or anything really. I've just set up all the injectors, the coils, the sensors, the IAT sensor, and the TPS sensor and the crank sensor. I didn't even bother with, since I'm doing batch injection and wasted spark. There's no reason to have the cam position sensor either. I'm just using the crank sensor only. So that's where we stand. I should be posting up more videos more often now. I'll get this project finished up and then work on start some other projects. Hopefully we'll be able to do first drive on the turbo in 2 to 3 weeks. I'm definitely should be good by midsummer. I don't know how much time I'll have to devote to it. What's funny is that this whole time that I haven't posted a video, it was less than a week's worth of work to get it to this point to first fire up. So I should have done one a long time ago. I just didn't really have time. Some things came up and I didn't really have time. But we're moving forward now, so hope you enjoy.